These gigantic engines are the most massive ever constructed, towering like a structure surpassing 4 stories and wielding a force greater than the thrust of 7 Boeing 747 seconds combined. They possess the monumental capacity to energize over 20,000 homes. In today's video, we introduce to you the unparalleled giants, the largest and the most powerful engines in the world. Caterpillar C17520. This engine is the heart behind the immense power of the Caterpillar 797 haul truck, a vehicle so large it rivals the size of a 2.5-story house. This behemoth is essential for large-scale mining operations, requiring a significant source of power to operate. Enter the Caterpillar C17520, the world's largest mining haul truck engine. Boasting a staggering 5,630 horsepower. Measuring 2.3 meters in width, 6.6 meters long, and weighing over 23,400 kilograms, this engine is as heavy as 3 T-Rex dinosaurs combined. With its 105.8-liter capacity, this 4-stroke, water-cooled, biodiesel-capable engine features a single block made of cast iron and a steel-forged crankshaft, making it a robust powerhouse. But its capabilities extend beyond powering a mining truck. As a generator, this 20-cylinder giant can produce up to 4 megawatts of electricity, sufficient to power 350 average American homes. Despite its impressive features, the Caterpillar C17520 is actually the smallest engine on our list, showcasing just how extreme the requirements for power can be in the mining industry. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification to stay updated. Big Boy for 014. Stepping into the annals of railroad history, the Big Boy for 1014 stands out as a true giant among locomotives. While contemporary electric trains impress with their technology, it is the storied steam and diesel giants that capture the imagination. Holding the title of the biggest locomotive engine is the formidable Big Boy for 1014, an iconic member of Union Pacific's 4000 series. This operational leviathan stretches beyond 40 meters and tips the scales at a staggering 508,000 kilograms, equivalent to the combined weight of 4 Statues of Liberty. To power its massive frame, a Big Boy required 25,400 kilograms of coal and 94,600 liters of water, yet it had the astounding capacity to hit speeds up to 112.6 kilometers per hour. Tasked primarily with hauling freight, these colossal engines were designed to conquer steep gradients and navigate through challenging mountainous terrains with their immense power. Indeed, the Big Boy for 1014 is a monumental testament to the era of steam, raising the question, what could possibly be bigger than a Big Boy? GE9X. Introducing the GE9X, the world's largest and most powerful commercial jet engine, a marvel of engineering from General Electric Aviation, tailored for Boeing's new 777X wide-body jet. Boasting a front fan that spans 3.5 meters in diameter and an entire width similar to a Boeing 737, this engine is not only massive, but also mighty, with its 16 fan blades generating 100,000 pounds of thrust, rivaling the power of the Soyuz rocket that carried the first human into orbit. Despite its size, the GE9X is surprisingly lighter, thanks to 6 of its components being crafted from advanced carbon fiber composites and 3D printed materials, offering durability without the weight of titanium. It surpasses its predecessor, the GE90115B, in both size and power, with the earlier model still impressing by being converted into a 65-megawatt power plant capable of supplying electricity to 6,500 homes. The GE9X marks a significant leap forward in aviation technology, combining immense power with innovative lightweight design. MYSE 16.0242. Introducing the MYSE 16.0242, a name that belies the groundbreaking nature of the world's largest wind turbine, brought to you by Minyang Smart Energy. This colossal 16-megawatt offshore hybrid drive turbine is specifically engineered to capture energy from the robust winds and typhoons at sea. Towering at 264 meters with each blade stretching 118 meters, surpassing the length of an Airbus A380. It boasts a rotor diameter of 242 meters, covering an area greater than 6 football fields. Remarkably, the MYSE 16 is capable of producing 80,000 megawatts of electricity, sufficient to supply over 20,000 homes. With its prototype set to be installed in early 2023 and slated for commercial use by mid-2024, it represents a significant advance in renewable energy. In comparison, General Electric's Haliade X, a 14-megawatt wind turbine, has already set a benchmark by being the first of its capacity to be operational, with its prototype launching in the Netherlands in October 2021, underscoring the advancements and competitive landscape within the renewable energy sector. Rocketdyne F1. The Rocketdyne F1, constructed in 1957, stands out as the largest and most powerful single-nozzle, liquid-fueled rocket engine ever used in flight. At 5.7 meters in height and 3.6 meters in width, this enormous engine weighed 8,400 kilograms and produced a staggering 1.5 million pounds of thrust, crucial for the liftoff of NASA's Saturn V moon missions, using a cluster of 5 F1 engines. These engines propelled the rocket 57,900 kilometers above Earth, burning a mix of liquid oxygen and kerosene at over 15 metric tons per second. Its unmatched design remains a pinnacle of aerospace engineering. In contrast, China's self-developed solid rocket engine, with a maximum thrust of 500 tons and a diameter of 3.5 meters, represents the most powerful solid rocket engine globally. This type of engine uses high-energy gunpowder and, after a successful test run, might soon be deployed in actual launches. Vula RT Flex 96C. Crafted by Finland's Vula Corporation, the Vula RT Flex 96C is recognized as the world's preeminent powerhouse, an engine like no other with the capacity to navigate colossal container ships, such as the MV Merck, laden with more than 16,000 containers. The engine's gargantuan stature is awe-inspiring, tipping the scales at 2,300 tons, stretching 27 meters in length and towering at 13.5 meters, equivalent to a 4-story building. Such size necessitates an infrastructure typically seen in buildings, such as stairs and an elevator, to enable engineers to meander through its vastness for continual maintenance and on-the-fly repairs around the clock. In case of malfunctions, the team is fully equipped to handle critical exchanges. From cracked pistons to broken connecting rods, every component is replaceable, including the colossal 300 tons crankshaft and the hefty 5.4-ton pistons. With its behemoth 14 cylinders and turbocharged 2-stroke diesel setup, the engine exerts an industry-leading 108,920 horsepower at 100 revolutions per minute, pushing ships through water at a brisk 27 knots. While this engine uniquely boasts unparalleled power, it shares the limelight with other notable titans like the Burmeister and Wayne CM88 for WS150, the world's most voluminous diesel engine, and the mighty Lycoming XR7755, the largest piston-driven aircraft engine in existence. So which is the largest engines break records by size? Let us hear your thoughts by sharing in the comments section, and make sure to subscribe to Explained for more intriguing insights.